Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you one of these viral TikTok videos, and this one is for making cloud bread. This recipe is like a meringue and it's really fun because the kids are going to love this. They're going to love putting it together, they're going to love ripping it apart. My son absolutely loved it. So it's something you can do with the kids and just keep them entertained in the kitchen. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. So to start this recipe, I have 3 egg whites in my bowl, and we're going to beat the egg whites until it's frothy. Once frothy, I'm going to start adding in my sugar a little at a time. After you've put in all of the sugar, we're going to go in with our cornstarch next. Cornstarch is going to help stabilize this and hold this into shape. So we're going to whip until it turns into a meringue. You're looking for stiff peaks. So keep whipping that on high. It does take a little time, like around 5 to 6 minutes. Now once it starts to get to the stiff peaks, this is what it would look like. Now it's time to add in our food coloring. So you can use whatever color you want. My son wants purple, so I'm mixing blue and red because I don't have purple. So I'm making purple. Continue to mix that. You'll see the purple start to take its color. And you can put as much or as little of the coloring as you want. And if you wanted to use brighter colors, of course, feel free to. So once it's mixed in, we're going to go ahead and scrape down on the side of the bowl. Mix it in well. Now stiff peaks means that when you pick it up and you turn the bowl over, it's not going to fall out of the bowl. So if I pick some up on my spoon like this and I turn it over, I shake on the spoon a little, it's not going to fall off. Even if I just hold the spoon over, it's not going to fall off. So that's how you'll know it's at the perfect consistency. Next, this goes onto my baking tray, and I've lined it with parchment paper. And we're just going to, you could form it into the shape of a cake or a bread. You can free form it any way you choose to do it. When this started to bake, it started to puff up. So keep that in mind, it will create a dome. It goes into my oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until it's golden brown. See how it looks? Next, take it out of the oven, and I allowed it to cool down slightly. If you do that, what happens is it deflates. So to get the full effect of the bread, I would suggest when it comes out of the oven, break into it right away. Because if you look here as I'm breaking into it, you'll notice that it has deflated slightly. See, compared to when it first came out of the oven. But the effect is still the same. You break into that, look at that amazing color that it has on the inside. It's just a fun experiment to try with the kids. It has a eggy taste to it. It's not something I would say I would eat. This was just for fun for my son. So if you guys enjoy this and you decide to try it with your kids, comment down below and let me know what the kids think. It was really easy to put together. And I hope you all enjoyed. Have fun in the kitchen with the kids, guys. You all need to do something fun for COVID besides cooking. Please continue to stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.